How to use Freshsales CRM for beginners. Heather, today we'll learn about how to use Freshsales. Here, this will actually be a platform that you'll be able to see under freshworks.com. Here, this is your Fresh Desk where there's a lot of products and features that you can choose from Fresh Service, Fresh Desk, Fresh Marketer, Fresh Chat, and Fresh Sales. For today, we'll focus on fresh sales in today's video. So here, what we just need to do is that we need to go under products. And before we do so, you can actually scroll down into these information and you'll be able to find a few features and information that you may find helpful when it comes to creating your own fresh sales account. Here, so there's a lot of informations here where it will actually accelerate customer growth, and it actually has supports from bots and other messaging channels. For us to sign up with Fresh Works under Fresh Sales, we just need to click on products and then click on Fresh Sales under software. Here, what we just need to do is that we can click on free trial on the upper right corner, or we can just click on sign up. So you can sign up using your Google account here or your Facebook account. So here you can input the name of your company and your phone number. And then make sure you input your company name. And then you just click on sign up for free. Then wait for it to load up. And here you'll be routed into this page, and later on you will be on your dashboard for fresh sales. So here, what you will need to do is you can choose what plan you will be going to, either premium trial or just the free CRM. So we'll be choosing the free one, and they will be asking on what industry or what your business is all about. So let's just click on e-commerce and then click on get started. And there you will be routed into this page where this will actually be the homepage for your fresh sales. Okay. Once you've fully loaded this here, you'll actually be routed into this page where you will be able to view your contacts. But since this is just a new account that we have, the contacts that we have here are just for examples. So when we click on the first option on the right panel, you can see that these are the sales dashboard. So these are the updates from your business. So for example, here you'll be able to find a few information, and on the left side as well, you'll be able to see the sales conversion. This will be your inbox, your phone, your contacts, and for automations, these are your sales sequence and etc. Here in settings, you can manage your preference on to your website or into your workspace or your dashboard. So here on your main dashboard here, you'll be able to see on what are the things and opportunities that you will need to improve on to make sure that you will be able to um, track your progress as a business. So here, when you click on the plus button on the upper corner of the website, you will be able to add a task. So for example, you will be inputting the title of the task. So this will be about research. You'll be adding a description on this. And then you will be asking, or you will be inputting as well on what the task is about or what type of task this is. And you can also set up the due date on when this will be due and what time it will be due. So here I'll just set up the due date and the time. And then once done, you can just click on save. And the task will now be added into your dashboard. So another thing here, you can click on the plus button, and there you'll be able to see where you can add a product, you can add a account, a deal, a code, and you can even add a call log, or you can even send SMS using this platform. You can create your template, create your or send your email. So here when you create a product, you can name the product and you can input the information or details that would help your business here. So let's browse the tools that you can have one by one. So we'll go into your products. Here are just example products that Fresh Sales actually has prepared for us, where in order for you to add a product, you can just click here and then you can just input the name, you can input the stock number, and a lot more information as well. So for your contacts and accounts, you can also input a few information. Here. So as I mentioned earlier, there are sample contacts that has been added here. So if you want to add a contact, you can just click on the word or the button below my contacts. You can just click on add a contact there, and you can even change what view you would like the dashboard to be in. So there's a lot of tools that you can use here. And here, for example, we'll go to here, we'll just browse a few informations on the website or on this page. There we go to sales conversation, where these are where you'll be able to create an email template, where you can view what the status of the email is. So for example, you will be creating a template or an email. You can have it or send it to Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, Zoho, and others. You can create your own template here. You can even track the email, whether the receipt or the receiver has viewed the email already, or they opened the email, or was the email rejected, or was it not, did it not go through. You'll be able to track those informations here under your sales conversation. So here under phone, you can also view on your contacts, and you can definitely call them as well. And you can even send messages through Fresh Sales. And that's about it. That's how you will be using Fresh Sales CRM for beginners. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.